take off right now.
Yeah, we talked to the guys.
I don't care. This is still illegal. He's going to jail.
Just my luck, guys. Up to no good. Alright guys, so we got some thought activities tonight. We'll meet up with Ari. We got a little private sesh. I think he's only bringing Teslas though. I don't think we're gonna be jumping any Teslas though. I know you guys seen that. That was ridiculous. That thing went viral in one day, bro. They made it to the news in one day. It's crazy.
We're good. The vegan said this, boys.
This is the quietest car meet I've ever been to.
Hey, bro, no noise complaints, boys. No noise complaints.
Jetsons everywhere.
Holy shit.
What? This shit is funny, bro.
Hey, bro. For all you gas-powered vehicles, this is the way. This is very cool.
I didn't even get that.
We need more room for the Teslas to park. Fuck, maybe I have to go over there.
These bags.
My color is actually this right here. How do you like it?
Damn, look at this. Aired out. I don't know if you guys been to my store yet. We got United Kicks over there. And we got Kick and Crab. You can get you some kicks, and after you guys can get you some crab. You know, small business. It's expanding. Damn. Only bags. Aired out. I got the loudest car here, bro. We got Sean's G35. We got some lightless peep. And I need that right there. Once I put my PVM angle kit on. Not yet, I don't need it yet. I'm not good enough for that yet, but soon. I love that. I love that camber look, bro. That's so clean.
Meanwhile, at the Krusty Krab.
That's all you, bro. You can do that.
I would have went flying off of that shit.
Well, there's a fence.
I would have went through it.
Alright.
Alright. You hear it? Can't believe this will be out here really sliding a Tesla. Here, let me get a better angle over here. Yeah, I don't got that line. I'm not pro like Sean. I'll mess around right here, but it seems like a safe spot. Coming in so hot. Ow. Ow, bro. That's just crazy. I'm dead.
I came in pretty hard on that one.
Yeah, he did.
Bro.
That was full angle for sure. I don't care what anyone says.
Sliding in the metaverse right now.
Drifting in the metaverse, dude, that's the caption.
Bro, doing 180s like just to go back.
Oh, fucking.
Dude, this thing's quick.
Little figure eights.
This is the weirdest drifting experience I've ever had. This thing literally is the weirdest
so
shit
weird,
I've ever
bro.
been in, bro.
Bro, it's
At this moment that he knew he fucked up.
All right, guys, I'm messing around a little bit. I'm not gonna embarrass myself. I'm not trying to do nothing crazy or anything out of my comfort zone. I'm just gonna stick to some little donuts, little figure eights maybe. But yeah, we're not doing nothing crazy. I'm not gonna send my ass to the damn fence. Nice.
Oh, excuse me?
If you guys don't want to be arrested, take off right now.
Yeah, we talked to the guys.
I don't care. This is still illegal. He's going to jail. If you got
Just ask him, for my own knowledge. Because we were told we could do it, that's why we did it.
private property.
They told us because they own it, it's their property. we can
Last
do it.
warning.
Okay.
Nice. Just as soon as I happen to go.
Did you talk to the guys? They told us we could do it.
Just my luck, guys. Motherfucker. Just my luck.
Eventually.
Recording. Who is this? It's cops?
My bad. How far is the police station?
Oh, Jesus Christ, bro. I thought you were the cops. All right. It is what it is. Corey, this is for you, bro. Oh, shit! It's a bag, it's a bag. Yeah, this is absolutely not recommended, but we got a fart, dude, and I can't do it while I'm driving. Actually, you know what? I can. But we have a train in the background. Hold on, we got this. All right, here we go. Pulling into the police department out here. Gates are open. Hey, give me your access card. I know you're a cop, Dylan. Give it to me. All right, here we go. Bro, send it in here. Wait till it gets out. I send it out. This police station, after arresting Corey, has seen the most action in probably like 15 years. Let's go get him out. I don't even think I parked in the spot, but we'll be all right. Hey, Opto, this is your moment of fucking glory. Okay, this is for Corey's vlog. Corey, let's explain what happened. Look, we had permission to perform this stunt on private property by the owners of the building. We have email and we have written documentation. Out of nowhere, the police arrived and they boxed in our man Corey and they arrested him. Before we all had to vacate the scene, I tried everything I could to get him out, and I was threatened to go to jail 3 times. When the guy reached for his gun, I think he was fucking pretty legit. So we all had to vacate. We all went to the nearest In-N-Out, and a lot of people left, but I wasn't gonna leave the homie. So our boy here gave us a ride, and we came and we tried to save him. I tried everything I could to get my brother out of the cuffs and get the car away from an impound, and it led us to this moment here, in front of the police station.
And he wasn't eating, by the way. I was the one eating.
You know what I'm saying?
So just so he doesn't know, you know, we went to In-N-Out and we're just chilling and eating.
Yeah, I didn't eat. I came right back from my man. So this is what we're gonna do. What are you gonna do right now? We're gonna
Whatever
right
you
now.
want me to
Pause.
do.
This is fast and furious. We're gonna cause a scene to break him out right now. His Operation Mission Breakout. We gotta get him out. He's probably in cell 77, whatever the fuck you call it. So you gotta go in there. I want you to go in there and pretend like he's having a baby.
Should I be smoking a joint?
dude, go in there and be like, oh my God, we're having a baby. And then you sneak in the back and you get him out. Deal?
Ari, this is not a real life movie, Maji.
This is real life as shit, bro. Did you just see what happened? This is as real life as it gets, bro.
How do you get? That doesn't make sense. Like, how's the scene and I go?
Honestly, this makes no sense at all. But anyhow, go make a scene in there, up there. Let's get this dude out of fucking the cell or wherever he's in.
Let's do some prison break shit.
Why?
I don't even think the door's open. Call button. Yeah, do we all realize we're in front of a police station right now doing this? Like, this is like as real as it gets. Yeah. You're in the hood, the dude's in the beanie, full Mac Daddy outfit, look like a pimp 50 girls a week. I got over here, full bangers out. Bill looks like he just got he's on parole. I look like I just ran. Hey, dude, if she lets us in there, you gotta think of the best thing on your mind to make this shit look glorious. I'll do some weird ass thing. Do some donuts up here, bro. Yeah, dude, honestly, you'd be the most legendary human being to have ever lived in this whatever the fuck city we're in.
It will determine how long it takes for them to process before he'll be walked out.
Got you. Do you have an HCA on the time it will take to get him out?
No, I can't tell you how long it will be. They have to process him. It just will determine how long it takes to process him from start to finish.
I got you. Okay. And where we're standing right now, is it the right place to be, or are we supposed to go to another location?
Where you're at is fine. He'll be able to walk down and find you from where you're at.
Got you. Is there any way we can sit inside? It's a bit chilly out here. All right. And can my chap here send it?
I'm sorry, what'd you say?
Thank you so much for your time. We'll just wait over here. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Have a good night. Bye-bye.
You too.
Undead to society later.
I think you're a drifter now, dog. I'm sorry, bro. We're sorry, I'm fucking booked, bro. I'm 30. I feel bad.
Everywhere is a racetrack until you get caught.
Yo!
Oh, you just jinx it.
Oh my god, dude. You can't even make this shit up.
Oh,
She asked me, she's like, are you gonna keep the sweater?
You're like, of course, I'm framing it.
Like, come back here and do it.
with the ticket.
So listen, bro. Like, I don't know if you heard me. I tried everything in my
literally
power,
did.
dude, to try to get you out.
I know.
I risked going to jail. My girlfriend thinks I'm in jail right now because I told her I'm getting arrested to try to save Corey. And right now, like, my attorneys have called this jail, so looking for me as we speak. And I still haven't called her back.
Oh man,
So,
that's terrible.
Shit happens.